In the heart of a bustling city where the noise of life often encroaches upon tranquility, there exists a sanctuary, an open-concept living room that breathes life and light into its surroundings. The moment one steps inside, there is an immediate sense of spaciousness, a feeling of airiness that envelops the senses. This is not merely a room. It is a thoughtfully designed experience that intertwines functionality with aesthetics, creating a harmonious environment that invites relaxation and connection. The transformation begins with the removal of walls. In traditional homes, rooms are often segregated, each one a box that limits the flow of both movement and light. By embracing an open-concept design, barriers are eliminated, allowing the living room, dining area, and kitchen to blend seamlessly. This layout not only maximizes the available space, but also fosters a sense of unity among family members and guests. Conversations can flow effortlessly from one area to another, and the laughter of children playing in the adjacent space can be heard, creating a warm, inviting atmosphere. One of the key elements to achieving this bright and airy feel is the use of a neutral color palette. Shades of white, beige, and soft gray dominate the walls, ceilings, and even the furniture, reflecting light and enhancing the openness of the space. The choice of colors creates a blank canvas that allows for personal touches without overwhelming the senses. Accents in pastel tones or subtle patterns can be introduced through decorative cushions or artwork, adding depth while maintaining a serene environment. This careful selection of colors not only brightens the room, but also makes it feel larger, as darker hues can often absorb light and create a more confined atmosphere. To define the various functional areas within the open space, area rugs play a crucial role. A plush, oversized rug can anchor the seating area, providing a sense of comfort and delineating it from the dining space. In contrast, a smaller patterned rug can define a reading nook by a window, creating a cozy retreat for quiet moments. By using area rugs, each zone maintains its identity while remaining part of the larger whole. This thoughtful separation fosters a sense of organization, allowing the room to feel both spacious and functional. Multifunctional furniture is another hallmark of open-concept living. In this sanctuary, a sectional sofa offers ample seating while also serving as a divider between the living area and dining space. Its sleek lines and neutral fabric contribute to the overall aesthetic, while hidden storage compartments provide a clever solution for keeping the space clutter-free. A stylish storage ottoman can double as a coffee table, offering a place to rest drinks while also providing additional storage for blankets and games. This versatility not only maximizes space, but also enhances the functionality of the room, making it adaptable to various activities, whether hosting friends for a movie night or enjoying a quiet evening with a book. Incorporating floating shelves and minimalist storage solutions is essential to maintaining an open feel. Traditional bulky furniture can often weigh down a space, but floating shelves provide an elegant solution for displaying cherished items without compromising the airy vibe. They can be installed in various heights, creating visual interest while keeping the floor area clear. Books, plants, and decorative pieces can be artfully arranged, adding personality without overwhelming the senses. Additionally, minimalist cabinets or sideboards can be strategically placed to store items out of sight, ensuring that the living room remains tidy and inviting. Natural light is a vital component of creating an inviting atmosphere, and optimizing it is paramount in an open-concept design. Large windows allow sunlight to flood the space, illuminating every corner and enhancing the neutral color palette. Sheer curtains can be used to soften the light without obstructing the view, creating a gentle ambiance that shifts throughout the day. Mirrors, strategically placed, reflect light and create an illusion of depth, making the room feel even more expansive. A large mirror above the fireplace or a series of smaller mirrors arranged in a gallery style can serve as both decor and a tool for amplifying brightness. Consistency in flooring is another crucial aspect of achieving visual continuity in an open-concept living room. Whether opting for hardwood, laminate, or polished concrete, maintaining the same flooring throughout the space creates a seamless flow that visually connects each area. This uninterrupted surface not only enhances the sense of openness, but also simplifies the design, allowing for a more cohesive look. Area rugs can still be employed to define spaces while ensuring that the overall aesthetic remains unified and inviting. Creating a harmonious flow extends beyond flooring and color palettes. It encompasses the selection of furniture and decor as well. Complementary pieces such as a modern coffee table paired with vintage armchairs or contemporary light fixtures juxtaposed against rustic decor can create an eclectic yet balanced look. The key is to select items that share a common thread, whether it be color, material, or style, allowing each piece to contribute to the overall design without competing for attention. This curated approach ensures that the open-concept living room feels intentional and well thought out. Statement lighting fixtures can serve as focal points that define different areas within the space. A bold chandelier above the dining table can draw the eye and create a sense of drama, while pendant lights over the kitchen island provide functional illumination. In the seating area, a floor lamp with a unique design can add warmth and character. These lighting choices not only enhance the ambiance, but also guide the flow of movement, subtly indicating where one area begins and another ends. To bring a touch of nature indoors, incorporating greenery is a simple yet effective way to enhance the living room's atmosphere. Potted plants, hanging planters, or even a small indoor herb garden can infuse life and freshness into the space. Plants not only purify the air, but also add a vibrant pop of color that contrasts beautifully with the neutral palette. A large fiddle-leaf fig in the corner, or a series of succulents on a floating shelf can serve as eye-catching elements that further enhance the inviting feel of the room. Maintaining a clutter-free environment is paramount in upholding the spacious ambiance of an open-concept living room. The absence of excess items allows for a clearer view of the space, making it feel larger and more welcoming. Regular decluttering, coupled with smart storage solutions, ensures that only essential items are on display. Decorative boxes can hide away miscellaneous items, while a well-organized bookshelf can showcase favorite reads without overwhelming the senses. This commitment to simplicity not only enhances the room's aesthetic, but also promotes a sense of calm. As the day transitions into evening, the open-concept living room transforms into a cozy haven. The warm glow of lamps and the soft flicker of candles create an inviting atmosphere, inviting family and friends to gather and share stories. The design, which emphasizes brightness and space during the day, shifts to a more intimate feel at night, showcasing the versatility of the open layout. This adaptability is one of the many benefits of such a design, allowing the space to cater to various moods and occasions. Ultimately, a well-designed open-concept living room is more than just a visual delight. It is a functional haven that enhances comfort and aesthetics. It is a space where memories are made, conversations flow, and life unfolds. By removing walls, embracing a neutral color palette, defining spaces with area rugs, and incorporating multifunctional furniture, one can create an environment that feels both spacious and inviting. The thoughtful use of natural light, consistent flooring, and harmonious decor further elevate the experience, transforming the living room into a stylish retreat. In this sanctuary, every detail is intentional. Every choice contributes to the overall ambience. It is a space that reflects the personality of its inhabitants, while also welcoming others with open arms. The open-concept living room stands as a testament to the beauty of simplicity, functionality, and design, proving that a well-planned space can indeed transform a house into a home.